All right, welcome back, good people. This is video number 5 of my videos I create every week. This is Speak with Larry's quote week, number 9. That means 9 weeks ago, this segment didn't exist. What I did this week, though, was as I was doing research, I found another little tidbit that I wanted to share with you guys. It's called I'll Bet You Didn't Know. Right? I'll bet you didn't know. And one of the things says, I bet you didn't know that 11% of the people are left-handed. 11%. That's not a high number, is it? So we're really living in a right-handed society, right? Only 11% of 7 point something billion people. That's not a high number. But I believe that left-handed people are more intelligent because they have to adjust to a right-handed society. That's what I believe. Now, that and a quarter will get you nothing. But it is what I believe. So, without further ado, I'm going to start quickly because I got 2 that I'm going to share with you. My quote week, my week quotes for the week, and then this segment, and there's like 30 of those. They're really intriguing. Some of those will be enlightening to you. Others you may have heard before. But either way, hopefully you will enjoy that. Don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and I want you to read my shirt that says, Speak with Larry. Yes, I'm Larry. You like that? I thought that was pretty creative when I saw that. When I thought of that in my mind. But you never know, right? I like being different sometimes. Do you? Do you? Good. All right. Okay, number 1. A person's character is shown through their actions in life, not where they sit on Sunday. That's Nirvana Johns, capital Navonne, capital Jons. A person's character is shown through their actions in life, not where they sit on Sunday. Number 2, you would be amazed at how similar arrogance and confidence look at first glance. That's Patrick Rothfuss, capital Rothfuss, Rothfuss. Number 3, at first, they'll only dislike what you say. But the more correct you start sounding, the more they'll dislike you. That's Chris Jami, Jami, capital Jami. At first, they'll only dislike what you say. But the more correct you start sounding, the more they'll dislike you. And you have to be okay with that. Right? You are okay with that, right? I know. You don't care. All right, number 4. Within any important issue, there are always aspects no one wishes to discuss. George Orwell. Within any important issue, there are always aspects no one wishes to discuss. I agree. Number 5. Innovators are inevitably controversial. That's Eva Le Gallienne. That's Eva, capital L-E, capital Gallienne. Gallienne. Okay, number 6. Every step leads somewhere, but thinking only leads to more thinking. That's Marty Rubin. Number 7. Creating peace is our responsibility. To pray for peace while still engaging in the causes that give rise to violence is contradictory. That's the Dalai Lama, number 14. Number 8. An idea, regardless of how noble it might be, is only an idea until someone has the idea to act upon it. That's Craig D. Lounsberg, capital Lounsbrough. He has some really good stuff. Number 9, if you fear change, you'll likely create a story that justifies inaction. That's Freequill, capital Freequill. Now, I have more from that person, so I wanted to spell that and get that out. Number 10, it is not thought but action that opens the door to new perspectives, new horizons. That's Marty Rubin. Number 11, many can find themselves in an awful paradox, afraid of death, yet afraid of living. That's, again, Free Quill. Number 12, do not make promises when you are happy. Either way, never make decisions when you are angry. Stay calm. That's David, capital E-S-A-B-W-A. Can't pronounce that last name. Number 13, quick decisions made in anger usually end in regret. That's Elizabeth Bourget, capital B-O-U-R-G-E-R-E-T. Number 14, the decisions that take you to your highest points in life are the toughest decisions you'd have to make. That's Constance Chucks Friday. C-H-U-K-S, Friday. Number 15, we avoid risk in life only to die and end up facing the greatest risk, which is having lived life risking nothing at all. I'm going to spell this name. That's capital C-H-I-N-O-N-Y-E, J, capital C-H-I-D-O-L-U-E. I am not good at names. It would appear, right? Number 16, when your heart knows it doesn't belong there, it will continue to self-sabotage your future until you make the choice you wanted but found a million excuses not to pursue. That's Shannon L. Alder. When your heart knows it doesn't belong there, it will continue to self-sabotage your future until you make the choice you wanted but found a million excuses not to pursue. That's pretty deep stuff right there. It's interesting to me. Number 17, the fewer the facts, the stronger the opinion. That's Arnold H. Glasow, capital G-L-A-S-O-W. Number 18, it is easier to align your opinions with facts than it is to align facts with your opinions. That's Justin K. McFarland Bow, B-E-A-U. Number 19, confidence is something you feel before you truly understand the situation. That's Julie E. capital C-Z-E-R-N-E-D-A. I'm not going to even try that. Number 20, fact is always truth, but truth is not always fact. That's capital B-A-N-G-A-M-B-I-K-I. First name. Last name, capital H-A-B-Y-A-R-I-M-A-N-A. Wow. Number 21. If facts convince people of things, no one would have sex. That's Glenn Heffley. If facts convince people of things, no one would have sex. Interesting. Probably true. Number 22. And remember, my sentimental friend, that a heart is not judged by how much you love, but how much you are loved by others. That's L. Frank Baum, B-A, capital B-A-U-M. Let me read that again. And remember, my sentimental friend, that a heart is not judged by how much you love, but by how much you are loved by others. Ah, interesting. Number 23. It is difficult to make the right choice if you fear choosing wrongly. That's Roy T. Bennett. Number 24. The jump is so frightening between where I am and where I want to be, but because of all I may become, I will close my eyes and leap. That's Mary Ann Redmacher, R-A-D-M-A-C-H-E-R, Radmacher, I guess. Okay, number 25. At your absolute best, you still won't be good enough for the wrong person. At your worst, you'll still be worth it to the right person. Karen Salamshon, capital SALMANSOHN. Let me read that again. I like that. The only thing wrong with no, that's not it. At your absolute best, you still won't be good enough for the wrong person. At your worst, you'll still be worth it to the right person. Very good. All right, and the bonus, I had a couple of bonuses. The first bonus, the only thing wrong with trying to please everyone is that there is always at least one person who will remain unhappy. You. I like that one. That's Elizabeth Parker. And finally, being ready is everything. That's Caroline Gerardo. I like that because one of my mindsets is that I stay ready so that I don't have to get ready. I stay ready so I don't have to get ready. What do you think about that? All right, this is segment 2. Again, it's titled, I'll Bet You Didn't Know That. And I gave you the first one, which was 11% of people are left-handed. I'm going to go really quickly with these because I try to keep this under 10 minutes. So, number 2 says, the average person falls asleep in 7 minutes. Number 3, 85% of plant life is found in the ocean. Number 4, the smallest bones in the human body are found in the ear. Number 5, cats spend 66% of their life asleep. Number 6, honey is the only natural food which never spoils. Number 7, you burn more calories sleeping than watching TV. Number 8, the Hawaiian alphabet has 13 letters. Number 9, the Cambodian alphabet has 74 letters. Number 10, a bear has 42 teeth. See, these are things that you wouldn't think that people would know, right? You wouldn't think that people would do research and find that out. But people do. That's what fascinates me about statistics and things like that, because you have to spend the time to get that answer, right? That's amazing to me. That's why I like to share these little tidbits with you guys. Number 11, the average human brain contains around 78% water. Number 12, instant coffee was invented in 1901. Number 13, the doorbell was invented in 1831. Number 14, the money sign was introduced in 1788. Number 15, stewardesses is the longest word in the, let me start that over. Stewardess is the longest word that is typed with only the left hand. See, those little things like that, like who knew, right? Okay, number 16, Google, Googol is the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. Did you know that? Wow, I didn't. Okay, number 17, people who work at night tend to weigh more. Number 18, lightning strikes the earth 6,000 times every minute. Who counted that? Right. Number 19, there are 31,557,600 seconds in a year. Number 20, the frozen foods were first introduced in 1920. 21, your tongue is the fastest healing part of your body. 22, sound travels 4.3 times faster through water than through air. 23, women's heart beats faster than men's. 24, white cats with blue eyes are usually deaf. Right? Number 25, dolphins can hear underwater sounds from 24 kilometers or 15 miles away. 26, when polar bear cubs are born, they cannot see or hear for the first month. Wow. 27. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. 28. Only female mosquitoes bite. I certainly didn't know that. Number 29. A flea can jump 350 times its body length. I've heard that before. And finally, number 30. Gorillas can't swim. Go figure, right? Interesting? Nah, I like that. I wanted to get that out anyway, whether you liked it or not, because somebody liked it. Believe that. That's why it's important to share what you know, because someone will like it. Someone will receive it and say, thank you for sharing that. All right? Okay, that's this week's videos. I hope you've enjoyed those videos, like those videos, share those videos, and I'll see you next week. We're getting close to the end of this process, so you'll be seeing me in other places. No longer with this process, because I'll stop it and do something else. But I'll always do videos, so don't get that out of your mind. You'll always be able to contact Speak with Larry via video. I'll see you next week. Have a great week.